Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mission Lane credit card, online account guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type Mission Lane.com in the address bar and press enter. Check that the website address is correct and shows a secure lock icon. On the home page, find the login or sign in button. Click or tap the login or sign in button to open the login page. Click the username field. Type your Mission Lane username carefully. Click the password field. Type your password exactly as you created it, including capital letters if any. If you want, enable Remember Me only on your personal and private device. Click or tap the login button. If you are asked for a verification code, choose your preferred method like SMS or email. Get the code from your phone messages or your email inbox. Enter the verification code in the required box. Submit the code to complete the secure verification step. After login, confirm you are on your account dashboard page. Locate your account balance to verify you are in the right place. Find the Payments section to make a payment when needed. Select Make a Payment and follow the prompts if you want to pay now. Look for statements or documents to view and download billing statements. Use the Transactions area to review recent purchases and activity. Go to Profile or Settings to update your contact information if necessary. If you forgot your username or password, click Forgot Username or Forgot Password on the login page. Enter the requested details and follow the reset instructions sent to you. Create a strong new password and save it in a secure place. If the site will not load, try refreshing the page or switching to another browser. If login still fails, clear your browser cache and cookies. Then try again. If you need help, use the Contact or Help option on the website to reach Mission Lane support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.